I am excited to announce that Angel Viking Orgonite will now be making dragons. We figured out how to do the dragon mold so that these have the glossy finish. So yeah, here they come. This first one is black obsidian, amethyst, and shungite. And this one is fancy jasper and shungite, and I think also smoky quartz in there. This one is rose quartz, aquamarine, and black obsidian. And the bottom of this one is a little funky because we had to sand that down to make it smooth, but she's still lovely. This one is carnelian, smoky quartz, and shungite. So yeah, very excited for these.